Hello chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen, and for the new subscribers, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious baked and smoked turkey wings. So let's see what ingredients we will need for this recipe. I have 1 pack of turkey wings, which was less than $5. I am placing my pieces of turkey in a bowl that contains a mixture of vinegar and water. I'm letting them soak for about 20 to 25 minutes. Whilst the turkey is soaking, I'm cutting off the extra skin on the sides of each piece. My next 2 ingredients are 9 garlic cloves as well as half of a medium onion. I'm using the back of my knife to first crush the garlic cloves, then finely chop them. Once I'm done with my garlic, I'm finely chopping my onion. Moving on to the wings, I have thoroughly washed off the vinegar solution off of my wings over some cool running water. First, I'm adding my chopped garlic and onion. Then for my seasoning, I'm starting with some seasoning salt to taste, as well as some paprika. Then I'm going to cover my wings with some meat tenderizer and poultry seasoning, a little bit of onion powder, and I'm going to cover it with some thyme. With my clean hands, I'm rubbing all my seasoning and spices onto my turkey wings. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of my famous green seasoning as well as 1 handful of mixed bell peppers. I'm using my hand to rub the green seasoning on both sides of the turkey wings. This is optional, but I'm lightly sprinkling some additional seasoning salt. Next, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of smoked sauce as well as half a teaspoon of browning. I'm using my hand to spread those 2 flavors onto my turkey wings. Then I'm going to set it aside for about 30 minutes in the refrigerator. While my turkey is marinating, I'm preheating my oven at 375. I'm placing my pieces of marinated turkey wings into a large baking dish. I'm also pouring the marinated sauce over the turkey wings. Next, I'm adding about 2 to 3 cups of water to my bowl. Then I'm pouring the mixture onto the turkey wings. I'm covering my wings with a piece of foil and I'm baking them for 1 hour and 45 minutes. After 1 hour, I'm removing the foil and continue cooking it for 45 minutes or until my turkey wings are nice and brown. I served my smoked baked turkey wings with some white rice covered with some mixed vegetable sauce. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.